previous video, I told you about this select clause and where clause and coming to query this I completed those things and coming to chart we can select because what it is saying you must save this report with at least one aggregated. For that we need to give one aggregate value. For that we are giving okay like that. Hmm? Now we can include the charts. Okay, like that we can do. So case ID, uh, create operator maybe. So if we save and run, so all I created, that's why it's coming in green, all same color. So if I want to change, just do the what, do one thing like this, just save. We can run from here or we can go to launch portal and run. Okay, you can run from here as well, that reports. Okay, you click on reports. This is coming like this. Okay, so we can run from two options. That's what I have completed. Coming to report viewer, here I covered what is this one. So to check the report from launch portal, user portal, you should check out this button. If you uncheck it, it will not come from a launch portal. This is what about this. And coming to this enable actions, I'll tell you in this video. Okay, I'll cover this thing. So what is enable action? So if you click on options, I'll go one by one. If you click on export to Excel, so if you uncheck it while executing it, it will not the Excel option will not come. See from here you can see that we can save as refresh, export PDF, these and all coming right. So if you uncheck this, what will happen? No, that Excel option will not come. Let me uncheck only for this rule. Again, if you create one more report definition, then it will come. Okay. So I unchecked it. I'll just save it. Actions, run it. So what will happen now? So that export Excel is not coming. So this is about enable actions. Okay. Again, I'll give. Okay. So one more thing here, what we need to discuss, anything else? Let me go here in query. We can discuss one more thing, I think. So the conditions like PYID, this is giving case ID, right? So I'll run it. I don't want this in okay, I want new and open. So here we have two status, new and open, right? I want both new and open. So for that, what we will do now, we'll write some when conditions here. For that, we'll simply write when condition dot is equal to new plus same. I'll use that equal to open. Okay, see here by default it is taking labels F1 and F1, F2, and the condition is taking end. End means both status new and open only will come. So, but it is not possible now. So I'll change it to or condition. We can change it. Okay, the condition we can write whatever we want. So I'll just save it. I'll actions, run it. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is case ID I took. No, that's why it is giving error. Not PY ID. That PY status work it should be correct. Mm. Save it. I'll remove this chart because it will give some confusion. Like it will not give some accurate data. I'll put blank. Save it because it is coming in diagram format. So see. all are new is coming. So so if I delete this and I'll change this, any default values are coming here? No, no. Okay, I'll give open. Now we'll see what will happen. Run it. These are the open things, open work IDs we have. So I'll add filter dot py status work equal to new f1 and f2. No, this is f1 r. See, this is data is coming. Both new and open are coming. Like this, we can write the conditions here. So coming to the next thing, like this is to remove the duplicate rows. If it is coming duplicate rows, it will remove. And it's for grouping values, so no need to worry about it. One more thing I'll tell you here is, okay, we have opened launch portal, right? Uh, so go to reports. From here, my reports it is coming. Okay, all reports I'll go. This is our testing report, right? So it is coming like this, right? So we click here, this one, click on that settings icon. From here, we can schedule the data. So what is scheduling and all, I'll tell you later. But before that, we need to, I want to tell one more thing. Okay, 1 second. I want to tell about the rows, number of rows, I'll tell you. Mm, oh, Priya Sundaram. Okay, data access, it will come. See, this one, yeah. Maximum number of reports, rows of exporting, these things we can change. How to change it? I'll tell you how to change this. So, this we will joins we will learn later, because joins are related to, if you want to fetch data from two different tables, then we will use this joins, right? Inner join, outer join, those things we will use later. So coming to this point, maximum elapsed time in seconds, this we can change it. So maximum number of rows, but where is this? We cannot change directly from here, we can change it from, go to launch, no, configure, just remember this, configure, reporting, and settings. From here we can change it. So how to change it? Just maximum number of rows to retrieve. By clicking on this, you can change it. Okay, it's actually taking time. It's little slow, but it's fine. So for sandbox means this is for case study purpose, in companies we will use it. You can change it from here. If you want to fetch 1,000 rows, your data is having 1,000 rows, but if you execute the report, only 500 rows will come. But you want 1,000 rows, you can change it from here. For development, these are the environments: development environment, sandbox, QA environment. This is production environment, like that. Okay, so you can change it from here. So accordingly, your report will come. Okay, just like that. Configure, reporting, one more thing, scheduling reports, I'll tell you now. This is completely about automating the task, scheduling reports. Okay, what is the scheduling report means, I'll tell you in next video. Okay, this is completely about automation. Simple. I'll just give you brief idea about it. So while executing the case, launch portal, or we can execute from here as well, right? Run it. Mm. Open launch portal, user portal. So scheduling. What is scheduling means? Go to reports. This report, you want to send this report to what, how many, take a case like your project, like you want to see how many new tickets are generated and how many open tickets in queue. So that means these are unattended, right? So you want to fetch this report every morning at 10:30 a.m. You need to send to your manager. So what to do now? So simple, no need to send every day, no need to run this report and get this done. So what you will do, you will just click on reports. Now you just click on settings, then schedule it. From here we can schedule. So every day it will send messages. I'll tell you complete it, but this is not final output because we need to map it with job schedulers and agents. Okay, so I'll cover you in next video. This is just demo. So I'll brief this in next video. Okay. If anything pending in this section, I'll try to cover now. I have covered this how to edit the rows and display. This I have covered, and I have covered about charts and query, and almost all I covered everything. This reporting schedule reports we can cancel from here. Okay. Yeah. These functions I have covered. Very good. Mm. Like that. Okay, for scheduling I'll talk to you next separate video because I want to do in separate video, that's why, just for to upload in YouTube, that's it. Yeah, thank you all.